Welcome back to my page. Let me show you how to bypass FRP on this Tecno Spark 30C. As you can see, there is a lock icon here, so the phone is on FRP lock. So let me select my country, Nigeria. Any country you are, select the country. You can see that this button here is not visible because the phone is on FRP lock. So first of all, let me connect my hotspot so that you can see. Let me turn on my hotspot. My hotspot is not on. If you look at that next button, you can see that it's not visible because the phone is locked. So let me connect my hotspot. As you can see, I've connected now. As you can see, that next button is now showing, is visible. So if I click it now, it will show me where I'm going to put the password of the phone, or I use the Google account. So I don't need to waste time to start going through all those things. So what I'm going to do now is just to show you how you can bypass the FRP. So from here like this, when you reach this point, just turn off your hotspot. So let me show you a simple method you can bypass it. So from here you click next. From here you also skip. Click next also from here. This Google service. Click next. Click next. From here you skip also. From here you skip. If it's button you want to use or anyone, you skip. Okay, from this point you have to lock the screen. Then find a SIM card that is locked, a SIM card, or just use any SIM card. Set up PIN code in the SIM card. That is what we are going to use. So I'm going to put a SIM card that I have put PIN code already in the SIM. So just watch me carefully. Like this video, share this video for other people to benefit. Okay, so let me lock it. As you can see now, I open the screen. Then you have to lock the screen back again. When you see it show password, lock the screen back again. Then remove the SIM card. Then press the screen now again. As you can see what is showing now. Then swipe to your left. Click that icon that is like settings icon. Then click on more settings. And wait for it. Okay. Click on notification style. Then click on setup patrol. Okay, click on sound. You can see sound. Click on sound. Then scroll up. Then when you see app ringtone, click on that place. Then you see that three lines by your left. You click on it. 3 lines by your left. So make sure you turn on your hotspot now. So then click on drive. Hold it, click it and long press it. Then from here you have to turn on your hotspot back. Turn on your hotspot back again. So let me wait for my own to on. As you can see, it's on now. Then click on screen time. Screen time. Click on it. Then click on that 3 dots by your right. Then click on share feedback. Okay, wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Then click on legal help. As you can see, legal help. Click on that legal help. You see another 3 dots by your right on top. So you click on that 3 dots. So just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. As you can see, click on that 3 dots. Then share article. As you can see, the share article is not working. So let's click on legal help again. You are going to use another method now. That share help is not working. So we are going to use that YouTube. As you can see, that YouTube logo that is showing. Click on it. Then this place here, you will see where they write watch on YouTube. You click on it, as you can see now. Then just click back button. Just press back button. As you can see what is showing you now. Then you click on use without an account. Then click on the search bar. Then type FRP bypass. I like using 2024. You can use any one, it will still work. So click on accept. Then that first one, that first FRP bypass link. Then click on open settings. You see that open settings? Click on it. As you can see. So what we are going to do, we are going to app management. Click on app management. Click on app list. The first one, app list. Click on it. Then you are going to click on Android setup. Then for stop Android setup, if you look up, you will see that lock icon is no more there, showing time. Then go back, look for Google Play service, look at Google Play service. For stop Google Play service and disable it. We are done. So the next thing to do, turn off your hotspot before you click the home key button. Turn off your hotspot. Sometimes this phone, if you don't turn off your hotspot, it can still go back again and it will still take you back again to the beginning. So turn off your hotspot, don't enable anything, just go back. Just make sure you are going back and be careful. Go back, go back, go back. Go back here. From here you click on it now. Click on the home icon. The phone is going to open perfectly. As you can see, it has opened, it's working perfectly. Please share this video for other people to benefit. If you have any questions to ask me, drop it on the comment section. So the next thing to do now is just to enable the Google Play service. As you can see, just enable it, and that is all. You can set up your password, set up new password, set up new Google account. Everything is going to work 100%. As you can see, the phone is opening and is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.